Hi friends, welcome back to CADable. This is Engineer Ibrahim Omer, and in this tutorial we will create a 2D chessboard game in AutoCAD using simple commands like rectangular array and hatch commands. So let's begin. Here I am using AutoCAD 2024, but if you are using a below version of AutoCAD or a future version of AutoCAD, you can still follow this tutorial. So let's go to AutoCAD, select New. I will select this template AutoCAD and I will select Open. First of all, I will put off these grids, and here you can see I am using drafting and annotation workspace. So first of all, I will create a square 50 by 50. So let's select the rectangular command, and here I will write 50 tab 50. Tab is used to change the direction. Okay, I will right click here and I will select this option UCS icon setting, and I will select this option show UCS icon at origin. Okay, so basically this square is representing one tile of chessboard. Now I will create a 8 by 8 rectangular array using the array command, and I will set 8 rows and 8 columns with 50 units spacing in both directions, and this will create a full chessboard layout. So let's go to here array command, and here you can see we have 3 types of arrays: rectangular array, path array and polar array. So I will select rectangular array. I will select this object. I will press enter key to confirm, and here it will give me a preview of this array. Basically it will create multiple instances of your object, and as I said earlier, I need 8 columns and I need 8 rows. Also, the number of spacing is 50 because each tile is 50 by 50. Also 50. And I will close this array. Now we will apply a hatch command, and basically we need to apply alternate hatches on these squares. So let's go to your hatch command. And here I will choose solid hatch, black color. So first I will apply first hatch, let's say here, and then alternatively I will apply one hatch here, one hatch here and one hatch here. Similarly I will apply one hatch here and then so on. Make sure you do not miss any hatch. And lastly I will fill these 2 rows like this, and finally I will close this hatch creation. Here it is optional to turn off array associativity and explode if needed, but I think it's okay. So that's how you can create a simple 2D chessboard game in AutoCAD, and this is a good practice of hatch command and rectangular array command. So that's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like this short tutorial. Still, if you have any question, any query related to this tutorial or any other tutorial in my list, you can ask in comment section. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to our channel for more informative and interesting projects. I will see you in the next tutorial. Thank you.